Welcome to the CryptoNest. So ICP, so now I did a cleaner chart, less details. As you can see here, it's kind of crazy. I like to work with this chart, but let's get the longer picture, right? So if I zoom out, you can see that, yeah, corrective movement pretty much done up to now anyway. We have a nice, I can count 5 way up. Now the question is this the top of the 5th wave and now we're already beginning the correction movement? So yeah, so this could be already the 5th wave in light blue, and this movement here, it would be the A, we're going to do the B and do the C, ideally go anywhere between $9.60 and $8. So this is option number 1. More bullish option would be, well, as you can see, we did wave 1, 2, 3, 4. And actually, this is not the 5th wave, it's the extended movement of the 5th wave. And this is just the 1. We are doing the 2. And eventually, we're going to do a 3, a 4, and a 5 to once again complete that 5th wave in light blue. So it wouldn't stop here, but we make actually an extension and it would end here. And after that, bigger correcting moment. So soon we will know which one is going to be. Either it's going to stop now and reverse and make a new higher high. So then I would be also there. It could be just doing a higher wave B and then go down. So until we don't have another, I would say 5 way up, we don't have any proof really that this it's not a higher B wave or a 3rd wave. So that's for that. And yeah, so if this indeed is the 5th wave, then you do have here where the correcting movement should stop. First, well, usually the first wave goes near the 0.382 fib retracement, 11.15, and as you can see, we're not that far, so we shall see soon. Now, the other way that we can maybe try to decode a little bit, if this indeed is the beginning of the wave, bigger wave 2 or just an extension, I can just pull the Fibonacci retracement. So I take the bottom of what we think it's the 4th wave completed. And once again, this is not deal done because this could be just the A, this is the B, and now we're doing the C. So that's also another thing. So first thing first, let's see now if price goes below $10.20, then this is start to be unlikely. That's a wave 2, and for sure if it goes below, actually let me put a horizontal array here. So invalidation point of wave 2 is going to be $8.60. If it goes below $8.60, this cannot be a 1-2. So we eliminate the scenario of this extension of the 5th wave, and then we are going to focus on the ABC bigger corrective movement to do the bigger wave 2, and that is going to be an amazing place to scale in. For sure, that's not financial advice. Also, we had the golden cross here. Usually this is delayed indicator, right? So price skyrocket, and usually after a golden cross we do have a bigger correction movement. So you know, this is like pick and choose. So is it going to go higher or is it going to go lower? So it's really, yeah, the $8.60 that is going to invalidate the extension. And for sure, if price now start to reverse, then, well, if we start to make a higher high, then we can have an indication maybe that indeed this could be 3rd wave or high B wave. And then, yeah, we're going to see about the extension. If it goes higher, how much higher is going to go compared to the maybe this 1st wave. And then after that, we're going to see. And maybe have an idea where the 1.618 of this wave is going to be for the 3rd wave. Hopefully I'm clear enough. But anyway, we get there if we get there. And yeah, let's see some indicators. You can see also MA50 is not that far anymore, so at least that we're catching up. MA 200 as well. That's the 4 hours. RSIs are pretty low. Let's see on the daily. You can see that yeah, the RSI is not that low at the level. It's 58. It's not bad. For if this indeed is a fourth wave, then we would have enough fuel to go higher, not make a higher high into the RSI, because usually that's the third wave level that is going to make the higher level for the RSI, but it will allow us to make a higher price on the chart, on the price action. So we shall see soon. Ideally, honestly, if I would get more ICP, I'm going to wait that the stock RSI is going to be oversold. Actually, now it starts to be kind of good, right? It's at 12, so already into the oversold levels. So if you ever decide to scale in, then you can time it with the 4 hours. That's amazing. Both are very low. Let's go on the 1 hour. I guess it should be also not that bad. Yeah, so it wouldn't be a bad timing, but once again, it's a little bit playing with fire because it's unsure what the market's going to do. And once again, everything about the tomorrow or the next 3 days events that's going to happen potentially. So approval, disapproval, DTF. I know, like, just repeating that thing. Can't wait to make it part of the history, I would say. All right, so this is pretty much all for ICP. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.